Hi, I'm Collin Gervias here with Newton Nissan in Gallatin, and I've got with me the all-new Nissan Kicks. Just want to show you a few of the great features and benefits that come with this vehicle. Now, you'll notice first off, there are a lot of nice accents, like the black side view mirrors. You do also have the LED turn signals. You do have nice polished aluminum wheels, again with black accents, and your nice floating roof line. You do have LED headlights, nice chrome grille, chrome molding on the side, and a spoiler up top here. Now, a great feature, one of my favorites, it does have your rear alert, but it also has rear automatic braking. So not only will it alert you, but it will actually come to a stop if you get too close to an object. Now, with it being a compact vehicle, when you pop open the hatch, you see you do get a lot of rear cargo space. Now, those seats will fold down if you need additional space, and this handy cargo cover will also pop out with ease if you have something a little taller. Now, let's go on into the interior so I can show you a little bit more about the Kicks. So coming into the inside of the Kicks, you'll notice it does have a very premium interior. This is the SR with the premium package. So you notice you do get the leather pointed seats. You also do have the leather on the dash with your contrast stitching. You do also have a leather wrapped steering wheel. Now you notice you have all of the controls on your steering wheel for your Bluetooth audio, cruise, and your really nice size information display. Now coming over here, you'll see you do have a good sized touch screen for your AM, FM, and XM radio. It does have Bluetooth streaming audio, but it also has your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. All you have to do is just hook it into the USB port right down below. Now it does have all the safety shield technologies. So you notice you do have your all-around camera and your backup camera. And then you do have your rear cross traffic. So if someone's approaching from either side, it will blink and beep to let you know. And it does second as your blind spot warning. You do also have your forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Now here you see you've got your heated seats, and you do also have digital climate control. Now this vehicle does have a Bose audio system, but it is a little bit more special than your normal Bose system. You'll notice you do have speakers in the headrest for your personal space. Sounds fantastic. But that was just a few of the awesome features of the all-new Kicks. Thank you so much for learning about them. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn a little bit more about the all-new Kicks. If you have any questions, please contact me, Collin, or if you want to see all of our inventory, just go online to newtonnissan.com.